Gelato is a print-on-demand service that lets you sell custom merchandise without holding any inventory. You upload designs, and Gelato handles printing, fulfillment, and shipping. Revenue is generated through margins on sales, typically 20 to 50%, with no upfront costs. Launched in 2008, Gelato has grown to over 1 million creators thanks to AI integrations and e-commerce partnerships. In 2025, Gelato is a top-tier pod provider with key developments. Gelato AI Studio uses AI from Adobe Firefly and OpenAI to generate mockups and designs, cutting design time by 70%. Green Print Initiative commits to carbon-neutral shipping by 2026 using recycled materials. Platform expanded to 200-plus countries, supporting 100-plus e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy. Despite rising costs, volume discounts help sellers. Offers 500-plus products with 2 to 5 day fulfillment. Start earning with your unique designs. To succeed with Gelato Pod, focus on key strategies starting with the business model. Upload designs, set prices, and Gelato handles printing and shipping directly to customers. Profits come from your markup on sales. Core products include apparel like t-shirts and hoodies, home decor such as mugs and pillows, and accessories including phone cases and tote bags. Use Gelato's free mockup tools or AI to visualize designs. Aim for 300-plus DPI and CMYK color profiles for quality prints. Optimize shipping with Gelato's 50-plus global print facilities for fast turnaround. Choose from standard shipping at 7 to 14 days to express at 2 to 4 days. Set profitable pricing with base costs at $3 to $10 per product and shipping at $5 to $15. Earn 20 to 50% margins that scale with volume. Target niche markets like fan art to avoid oversaturation. Get started by connecting to an e-commerce store like Shopify. Market via social media such as TikTok and Instagram, with SEO driving 70% of organic traffic in 2025. Stay updated with AI, sustainability, and personalization trends.